we are looking at how to pronounce these names as well as how to say more confusing names that many mispronounce, including from Spanish and other origins as well. So how to pronounce that is going to depend on the language or the accent or the region sometimes. Now in English it's generally said as Gracia, okay, Gracia. Now in Spanish, Gracia, Gracia or Gracia, Gracia or Gracia in Spanish. Now in French it's said as Gracia, Gracia, because some people are named that way in France as well. So there are quite a few different pronunciations, but now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.